Welcome to Insider Tips. In today's Insider Tip, I will be talking about preparing for your training program. As in all topics in your operations manual, your training program has to be step by step. Have everything in writing. Your operations manual has to have a written training manual that contains specific instructions and reference information. This will be an incredible resource for any new employee and will quicken their success. It is the trainer's responsibility to create a safe, non-threatening environment for learning. For this to work, it is incredibly important that your trainer has great people skills. They have to remember that new employees are people, so they have to take the time to get to know the new members and establish a relationship, and then treat them like they would like to be treated. A trainer has to plan to be patient and to set reasonable expectations when teaching a new task. Good idea is to have them remember when they were trying to learn something new for the first time. A hectic pace and a busy environment will only lead to problems. Provide notebooks and pens to the new employees, and in the notebooks provide a complete description of the new employee's job, a schedule of the training process, and a list of the most common questions and answers. This will help put the new tasks they are learning into context. Well, that's it for today's tip. If you haven't done so, subscribe. You don't want to miss any of these future Insider Tips. And make sure to join the best group for you. To subscribe, visit keystonehpd.com/insider-tips. And to find your best group option, visit keystonehpd.com/private-groups. Well, that's it for today's tip. Until next time, have a fun day.